Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Practice Daily. I am so happy you are here. If you want to speak English confidently, naturally, and with a smile, you are in the right place.
And I'm Daniel. Hey friends, grab a cup of tea, relax, and enjoy today's episode. Today, we're learning one of the most important skills in English: how to talk about yourself easily, clearly, and confidently.
Yes, this topic is perfect for beginners, but also super useful for anyone wanting to sound natural in everyday conversations.
And don't forget, please support our channel English Practice Daily by liking this video and subscribing. We make new podcasts to help you improve every single day.
Seriously, guys, subscribe or Daniel will cry.
Hey, that's not true. But I might get emotional.
Okay, Daniel, let's start simple. Imagine you meet someone new. What do you say first?
Easy. I say, "Hi, my name is Daniel. Nice to meet you."
Perfect. Here is a super easy formula for everyone listening. Greeting plus name plus nice to meet you. Example, "Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you."
Exactly. And you don't need to be shy. Keep it simple.
Sometimes simple is powerful.
Yes, simple like me.
Oh, Daniel, stop it. You're not simple. You're extra.
Extra confused, maybe.
So after names, people often ask about age. But you can answer naturally like this: I'm 25 years old. Or I'm in my 20s.
Yes, and if you don't want to say your age, you can joke, "I'm old enough to know better, but young enough to enjoy life."
That's cute. Say it again.
I'm old enough to know better, young enough to enjoy life.
I like that. Use it if you don't want to tell your real age.
Okay, Emma, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. And you?
I'm a content creator. I make videos, podcasts, and lots of coffee.
Yes, he does. So for everyone watching, here are useful sentences. I'm a student. I work as a driver. I'm a designer. I work in a restaurant. I'm looking for a job.
And a great one, I'm learning English right now.
Yes, say it proudly.
I always love asking, "Where are you from?"
Me too. You can answer like, I'm from Turkey. I'm from Afghanistan. I'm from India. I'm from Brazil. Keep it simple.
Or you can add more information. "I'm from Mexico, but I live in Germany now." Or, "I'm from Iran, but I moved to the UK."
Perfect examples. People love talking about hobbies. Daniel, what are your hobbies?
I love cooking and eating the food I cook.
I can confirm that.
And I enjoy playing guitar, traveling, and watching funny videos.
My hobbies are reading, learning languages, and walking by the beach.
Your life sounds peaceful. Mine sounds like a comedy show.
Here are useful hobby sentences. I like cooking. I enjoy watching movies. I love playing football. I like listening to music. I enjoy learning new things.
Let's talk personality. Daniel, how would you describe yourself?
I'm friendly, I'm funny, and I'm sometimes crazy. True. I would describe myself as patient, creative, and positive.
Useful words: friendly, funny, hardworking, calm, kind, helpful, confident.
And if you want to be honest, but polite, I'm a little shy. I'm quiet at first, but talkative later.
Daniel, what do you usually do in your free time? I usually relax, watch videos, and think about exercising, but I don't actually exercise.
Same. Here are useful phrases. I usually relax at home. I sometimes go out with friends. I often listen to music.
Emma, what is the best way to start a conversation in English?
Smile. Always smile. A smile speaks all languages.
Wow, that was deep.
Thank you. I'm very philosophical today.
Philosophical. Are you drinking extra coffee?
Maybe. All right, everyone. Let's do some useful questions and answers you can practice at home. Question 1. What's your name? Possible answer. My name is Ahmed. I'm Sarah.
Question 2. Where are you from? I'm from Morocco. I'm from Turkey.
What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a driver. I work in an office.
What are your hobbies? I like cooking. I enjoy watching movies. I love football.
How would you describe yourself? I'm friendly and hardworking. I'm calm and helpful.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Remember, every small step in English brings you closer to confidence.
And we are here to help you every single day. You are not alone.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, English Practice Daily. Your support helps us grow and create more great lessons for you.
Stay positive, keep practicing, and never stop learning.
See you in the next episode. Bye!